Welcome students, let us see a very interesting question from the topic permutations and combinations. Okay, here question is there are 12 points in a plane. The number of the straight lines joining any two of them when three of them are collinear is, four options are given here for the answer: 62, 63, 64 and 65. Hope you have understood the question. Out of 12 given points, 3 points are collinear. And we have to make all the possible straight line, and we have to find out how many maximum straight lines can be formed with the help of these 12 points when 3 points are collinear. Okay, so now let us see the solution. Whenever you join any 2 points out of 12 points, we will get straight lines, but will not get different straight lines when 3 collinear points will be joined, isn't it? But at least one line we can have with the help of joining these 3 points. Okay, so of course no different straight lines we will get by joining any 2 points of these collinear points except this one line, which we can have by joining all the 3 collinear points. Okay, so total number of the line joining by 12 points means if we take 2 points out of this 12 will be how many? This will be 12C2. We are taking any 2 points out of this given 12 points. Although we know that we cannot get different lines when joining 2 points in 3 collinear points. So this case will be subtracted. Okay. So minus 3C2 out of these 3 points, collinear points, if we join any 2, we will not get different lines. So this case has been subtracted, but we will get at least 1 point by joining these 3 points together. So this is plus 1. By solving it, we will get the answers. So you are supposed to write the statement when the question is subjective. But if the question is objective, just you have to select the answer, then it is sufficient to evaluate this one. Okay, so this is equal to 12C2 means 12 factorial by 2 factorial into 12 minus 2 factorial. How? By this formula. You know the formula of the combination, that is NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial n minus r whole factorial. As we know, n is the total number of objects and r is the number of objects taken at a time. So in this case, total number of points is 12 and we have to take 2 points for getting different lines. So this is 12C2, and by that formula we are getting this much, and it has been subtracted due to these collinear points. So minus 3C2 is 3 factorial by 2 factorial, 3 minus 2 whole factorial plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to, this is 12 factorial and 2 factorial means 1 into 2. So this is 2 into this is 10 factorial minus 3 factorial by 2 factorial into 1 factorial plus 1. Okay, this 12 factorial can be written as 10 factorial into 11 into 12, because in 12 factorial it is a continued multiplication from 1 to 12, all natural numbers, all positive integers, okay, between 1 and 12, and this is 2 into 10 factorial. Similarly, this is minus 1 into 2 into 3 divided by 2 factorial is 1 into 2 and 1 factorial is 1, you know. This is plus 1. Here 10 factorial will be cancelled out and 2 6 are 12. So this is equal to 11 into 6 is 66, correct? Minus, sorry, 2 is here. So this 2 will be cancelled out, minus 3 from here and plus 1. So 66 minus 3 is 63 and plus 1, this is equal to 64. So here answer is this one. So answer is C. Means we will get 64 different straight lines when we use these 12 points, and out of these 12 points we take any 2 points considering these 3 collinear points, correct? So I hope you have understood it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.